Yo guys, what is up? Today we are recapping my new winning trade over here. As you can see, trade weight, as we can go over here, you can see trade weight over here, dashboard, trade Zello, also trade sinker cockpit picture over here, little 3.7k, almost $4,000, November 11th, Beppo. You can see that everything is black on white like I always show you guys. And right now we're gonna go into this trade recap that actually happened on bank holiday, while everybody else is telling you don't trade bank holidays, that's not a smart move, price action is gonna be bad. But guys, when you know what are you doing, when you know that your model is printing every single day, it doesn't matter if it's bank holiday, it matters because sometimes on bank holidays market is gonna be closed, but today market was not closed and it was just random bank holiday. So if we go guys on a hard time frame, first of all, to be honest, like I'm not gonna lie, I was not expecting any trades because I expected the price action is gonna be a little bit slower, but still I put my alerts on main liquidity zone and I was trying to search for at least something or small reactions. So if we start from the hard time frame, you can clearly see that market is sweeping liquidity like this one over here and delivering from bullish gaps. So we are pretty much so bullish these days, and also market left us this high over here, as you can see this high over here, also with this strong bullish gap and this LR. Now if we go to the lower time frame, what can you see over here? You can see clearly balanced price change. This is like the strongest. First we have new week opening gap, then we have VPR, and then normal regular fair value gap, and my VPR is literally my favorite like PDRA that I always look for when I enter a trade, because it just makes trades so much better. So guys, market is clearly reacting off of this, and also we have all of these low resistance liquidity resting above over here. Plus, not only that we have that liquidity, but we also have Asia highs and London highs, and London high is absolutely the best drone liquidity that you can imagine. So pretty much we had everything. Then if we go on the 5 minute, we have beautiful accumulation, then manipulation, and then I was expecting to see distribution. So the thing that I did, guys, I'm gonna just replay the price. I was like, okay, today's bank holiday, so I'm not expecting some big moves, but still I'm gonna place my alert here because this is like this final sell side liquidity. And we also have, I think we created this beautiful 3 minute fair value gap, and I was like, okay, we are inside the first macro, we are near 10 a.m. reversal. So if I see inversion here, I'm gonna take it. Like, I simply don't care, it's a plus trade, so I'm gonna take it, and I'm gonna target 1-to-1 because I don't think that market is gonna reach towards all these highs because it's just bank holiday and price action is gonna be a little bit slower. So if we play the price immediately after the inversion, what do we have? Instant after the sweep, we have instant inversion, showing us that market is actually bullish. And my entry was, I think, on this new candle. I got beautiful fill, like literally my fill was here, stop loss underneath, and I was targeting little 1-to-1, as you can see this high over here, and it played out in just 1 minute. And if we play the price right now, market is still dumping and chopping around because it's not macro time, and this is usually the price action that you're gonna see on bank holiday. But still we call this move because I'm not trying to target home runs, I'm not trying to target 1 to 10 risk to reward. No, I don't need it. Like, I'm gonna show you one more time executions. So where we are, execution marks, here we go, little 1-to-1, trade weight, trade Zella, you have every single thing that you need to see, black on white like always, guys. So base hits are always gonna compound, and look guys, you don't need more. Look, these are all base hits, like 1-to-1, 1-to-1, 1-to-1. Actually, not all of them were 1-to-1, some of them were like 1 to 1.5, something like that. But let's say on average I'm trying to target 1-to-1, and as you can see, amazing results. So that's gonna be it, guys, for this trade recap, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.